In this video, we're going over a big hidden feature of the Alcatel 3V. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Also, in the description of the video, check out our Alcatel 3V accessory store to find some really cool cases and other cool accessories for your phone. Today we're going to show you a really cool hidden feature. This feature is so hidden and I discovered it by accident and I just had to share it with you guys. So you can actually use your Alcatel 3V as a universal remote for your TV because it has a built-in feature called an IR blaster, which is an infrared sensor that allows your phone to basically communicate with your TV. So the only thing is the phone does not come with an app to use this. So basically, you have to download the app separately in order to get this working. So let me show you what app you need to download to make this work, and it's super simple. We're going to go to the Play Store, and we're going to do a search for an app called Universal IR Remote Control for TV and AC. You're going to download this app. It's a free app. Hit open. You're going to hit connect, and it's going to tell you to point it at your TV, hit the power on button, and just wait. And it's basically going to turn on your TV. It's going to use the infrared sensor to link up with your TV. And once it's linked, you'll have a full view to control many things, not just the power. But here's kind of an idea of what the app looks like. So you'll be able to go to specific channels, control volume, channel up and down, mute, change the source. You have all those different options available to you on your Alcatel 3V. So again, guys, really cool feature, and had to share it with you because I even spoke to Alcatel directly and I said, why don't you have an app to control this? And they were like didn't really give me a real response. So I was like, well, I'm making this video because I think people would love to know about this and to use it. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you think this is a cool hidden feature and if you plan on using it. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, like, favorite, and share if the video was helpful. Take care, and as always, have a good one.